Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a GBA SP that has a faded volume. So as you can see, I have here a GBA SP, and if we're going to turn it on, you can barely hear its introduction sound. So what we will use in this operation will be a wire from dsiXL speaker. You can also use a wire from DS Lite. Those are the only wires that I've tried and I can recommend because they are working. And also we will need a screwdriver with a tri-wing so that we can open the GBA SP. So as mentioned on the introduction of this video, we'll be fixing the faded volume without the use of a capacitor or a new capacitor. So this is going to be very useful if you don't have a capacitor or you don't know where to buy one. So this is the capacitor. Usually they replace it with a new one, but in this guide we will not be replacing this one. Instead, we're gonna use a wire from the speaker of a DSi or a DS Lite to fix the problem. Alright, so now I'm done removing all of the screws. We will now be able to see what's inside. And by the way guys, I forgot to mention that we will be using this tool because we're gonna be soldering the cable, the tiny wire later. Okay, so to make it easier for you, you need to remove the motherboard from the ribbon cable of the LCD. You need to be very careful not to make any damage to the cable because it's very delicate. Alright, so here's the motherboard. So what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna be connecting this dot here, as you can see, 5 2. We're gonna solder the wire from here, and then we're gonna connect it. The other end will be connected here in this tiny dot beside the capacitor. Okay, so now I just skipped the part where I do the soldering because I'm not really that expert in soldering, but I was able to do it. As you can see, the first end of the wire is connected here on the right spot, just right below the 5-2, and then I inserted the wire into this tiny hole, and then the other end was connected here. So now let us see the result. So I just put the back cover, but I did not put the screws yet, so that it's gonna be easier for me to put back the battery for testing. And now let's test it to see if it works. See, compared to the volume a while ago, now it's louder, right? It's very easy, right?